Hindi naman bago sa'yo maging most beautiful, di ba? Parang siguro pang 1 million in one time na to na naging most beautiful ka eh. Pero how do you feel pa rin na itong sa Yes, ikaw yung most beautiful star for 2012?
Well, I believe that it's my first time to do the cover for Yes Magazine as their 100 Most Beautiful. So thank you so much to everyone that's part of Yes Magazine for choosing me to be on the cover. It's truly an honor for me and I love it.
Next question ko. Ikaw ba, meron ka ring moments na kagaya namin na parang pangit na pangit ka sa sarili mo? May mga sandali lang, may mga pagkakataon ba na hindi ka feeling beautiful, na parang, oo, yung ganon, pangit din ang tingin mo sa sarili mo?
Naman, actually nandun nga yung makeup team ko. Kahit tanongin mo sila, may mga days umuupo ko, ang tsaka ko? Bayan, nagkakaroon pa rin. I still have those days. I think we all do. Siyempre, parang normal lang naman yun, lalo na pagpuyat. Although, I have to say, siyempre masaya pa rin pag maganda ka, pag tinitignan mo. Ay, ganda ko today. Love it. Pero meron pa rin namang days na, ang tsaka ko today.
And when do you feel most beautiful, Anne?
When I'm happy.
Sino nagpapahappy sa'yo at ano?
Madami! Friends, family, loved one. So there's so many things. It really is parang for me based on how my life is going, my career, if I got enough sleep, if I'm happy with how things are going. Makikita mo naman blooming, diba?
Oh, i-share mo na lang last na. Share mo na lang yung secret ng beauty mo.
Huh?
Ano bang dapat gawin? Ano bang dapat gawin? Para ma-achieve yan, ganyan.
Hindi ko alam. Just love yourself. Diba? We were born this way, sabi ni Lady Gaga. Love it. Diba? Just love yourself and be content with what you have and make the most out of it. Yun lang.
Okay, thank you. Ito si Ella Chicadora, may tanong din.
Ano pang dance concert. Well, there are so many things pa rin naman na kulang. I mean, I've yet to start my own family, find a husband. But that's all another chapter in my life. So far, I'm happy with what I have and content with the blessings. Para maging madamot pa ako kung hihingi pa, diba? Hindi na nga ako blines ni Lord sa pagkanta, pero diba, kinareer ko pa rin. So happy na ako for this year.
So yung marriage, it's not gonna happen anytime soon? Wala pa?
Not yet. Not yet. When the time comes and I'm ready for it, why not? But not yet.
Okay, thank you. Congrats.